Hi, this is Shaheen from Insource IT. This is Core i9 Avengers Edition Intel 3-gen processor and 3.7 GHz clock speed. Also, it has 10 cores and 20 threads, 5.3 GHz maximum turbo frequency, and it's LGA 1200 socket. Intel have now fully revealed their latest processor with the Core i9 10900K, now their flagship, with a claim of it being the world's fastest gaming processor. Intel includes a commemorative card inside the box. Okay, this is the box inside. Okay, let's go. We know about 10-gen processor.
Measured in gigahertz, your CPU's clock speed is the number of cycles it can complete every single second. So with a clock speed of up to 5.3 gigahertz, the 10th gen Intel Core i9 processors can execute up to 5.3 billion cycles per second. Each activity on your computer has a set number of CPU cycles it requires to complete. In gaming, this can look like anything from loading games and rendering objects to simulating enemy AI or calculating realistic game physics. Having a CPU capable of executing more cycles per second allows your computer to more effectively handle these activities, resulting in a variety of gameplay benefits. These benefits materialize in ways you may not expect. For instance, frame rate, a common indicator of in-game performance, is generally higher and more consistent when running on a processor that executes more cycles per second, or said another way, has a higher clock speed. Additional technologies like Intel Turbo Boost Max and Thermal Velocity Boost dynamically enable higher clock speeds for increased performance benefit. Whether you're looking to increase your frame rates for smoother gameplay or reduce AI enemy decision-making for quicker turn times, you'll feel the difference with higher clock speeds on PCs powered by Intel Core processors. Gaming happens with Intel.